G'day, Ian Summers from Cayuga Broadheads. I'm just going to go through on how to sharpen a single bevel old school. All our heads are pre-sharpened, but we always recommend that you put a steel on them before you go out and use them. So once you get them out from the packet, they're a carbon steel. I've got one here that I've prepared earlier. And all we want you to do is put them onto a diamond steel. You start at the back, you rock it until you can find the leading edge, and all you do is just bring that forward nice and lightly. They are sharp, we've just got to get the oxidization off the edge. Then you just lay it back onto that edge and just do it there. So all you're doing is breaking that backbone of it, and then they will be sharp straight like that. Okay, that's taken hair off like that. Okay, now we're going to go and sharpen the broadhead after it's gone through a critter and it's stuck in the dirt and it's got a bit of the edges taken away from it. So this is how I always do it, is you've got a Sharpie and we want to cover the leading edge, and this will be basically our dial indicator to know that I'm doing the angle is correct as our factory edge. I use a mill bastard file, and what I'm going to do is put my finger down there, whether it be on your camp chair armrest or whether it's on the table. And what I'm going to be doing is pushing forward, but I'm not going to be rolling my wrist. It's going to be parallel with the table. So therefore we get an even stroke from the back to the front. So all I'm doing now is slowly pushing forward from the rear to the front and watching the the texture coming off. And then I know that I've got the perfect edge. So I'm going to do it again on this side. I'm going to be starting from the rear and going forward, watching that the texture is coming off at the front. Right, now because this is a single bevel, I'm going to flip it around and I'm just going to put the file on the flat edge, and I'm just breaking that burr from the front to the back. Flip it over. When we're sharpening, we're making a little burr. That's what we're trying to get rid of. So because this is a single bevel, I'll just do this a few times on that, and then I want to break that burr back. I'm going to go this way. And that should be good. That's pretty sharp. I hope that helps. Sharpening your single bevel old school.